Just 6 pesos, guys. If this is gonna work, you will have your own business na tomorrow. Making a hair dye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Coco. For today's video is that we're gonna create, or let's say we're just gonna improvise a hair color using Jobus. Yeah, I know it's funny. So yeah, I'm thinking this is just like my experiment. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. And by the way guys, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's gonna be the result. Di ko guys alam kung anong mangyayari. So
guys, kinakabahan ako.
So I have this here, Jobus, or it's what you call dye for clothes. Actually, it's for clothes. Yes, so alright, I have this, what we're gonna be needing. But before anything else, okay, and by the way guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And please don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will get updated with my latest video. Alright guys, so let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna be needing is, of course, Jobus. Yes. Ta-da! So we'll be needing 2 of this. So I have like short hair, and I already bleached my hair. As you can see, my roots, I did my own rooting. Yes. And we'll be needing 2 Jobus, and then keratin or white conditioner. So I like it keratin because I think it's gonna be stronger. So any keratin will do, or any conditioner that has keratin. And then lukewarm. So it says here, with enough lukewarm to complete cover. Yeah, but it's not for hair. It's just for clothes, okay? So it's just gonna be, I'm just gonna be improvising. So let's get started before this water becomes cold, okay? We have a stirrer. I only bought this for like 10 pesos. Or hindi, 6 pesos guys. And the keratin, I bought it on Shopee. Yes. So it's only like 300 plus pesos or 400 pesos, and then water. So let's get started. Okay, let's open this. I don't have a scissors. Alright guys, so this is the color, like, well, I'm expecting this to be so sky blue. Yes, or like light blue. Yes, so I got this. And please bear with my hands because nagpaligo ako ng pets ko. So let's open this and let's get started. Ooh. So I think this amount of water, I think it's a lot, pero we'll do it. Okay. Oh god. Hindi ka na paramihan. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Okay, I just like this color. So that's one. So blue. Good luck guys. Good luck to us. So my keratin is, I need to get it. Layo lang tayo sa curtain kasi stain. Mahirap. So I'll get 2 teaspoons. Tada guys. Tada! And then we're gonna stir. I'm not a chemist. Ooh. But I'm just look.
2 hours later.
Let's try it here first. Oh. And then, wow. Kulang pa yung ano. So I added a little blue. Alright guys, so this is it. Looking nice. Okay. Wow. Galing. let's remove. This is fun, guys. Look. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, if it's gonna stay on my hair. Hindi siya nag-i-stain sa kamay, so I think this is gonna be washed easily. Wow, looking good. Looks like a real hair color. Galing ko. But we'll see, guys. Wow, looking nice. Not just for the clothes, but for the hair as well. You can save a lot of money. This is fun. So I can if it's gonna work, guys, I can easily like change my hair color. Alright, guys, sorry about that because the battery ran out, or nawalan ng battery. And I have finished it applying. Look, guys. So I wash my hands, and as I can see, guys, look, nag-i-stain siya, pero not like totally nag-i-stain siya like the Manic that I used before. And but looking good, guys. Supposedly, guys, it should be orange, but I only got like 2 orange color Jobus here, and I need to have, well, I will have another video for the tie-dye, so please stay tuned. So the reason why, guys, I chose keratin is because it's gonna stay on the hair because normally I use keratin for my hair, and it makes my hair more soft. Yes, so that's why mas maganda, guys, if it's if you're gonna be using keratin para it's soft. Also, I think it's gonna work. Not shampoo, guys. Shampoo has sulfate normally, and keratin doesn't. Conditioner and normal conditioner doesn't have sulfate. Okay, sulfate kasi is like para siyang acid. It's like an acid na sulfur na nakaka-harm. And unlike the conditioner, ilalock niya yung moisture. So yeah. So currently we're, I think, what time na? 35. So it's currently, guys, 2:35. So we're just gonna be leaving it for like 30 minutes. Okay, and yeah, and hopefully it's gonna work. Yeah, but I don't expect that much. Okay, so soon I'll be trying orange. Okay, because I think it's really gonna work. Yes, believe. For all those people who don't know what Jobus is for just clothes. However, this is just like my experiment, as I was saying, guys. Experiment, I'm not a chemist, guys, okay? Well, it's like crazy stuff that I want to do for see it for myself, if it's gonna work or not. Because I'm imagining it, and since I'm imagining if it's gonna work, why not put it in a video as my content? So that's why I made this video, guys. Okay, so yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. This is like my first time, so yes, I am a little nervous and at the same time excited. Yes, so it's thrilling. Yes, so looking good, guys. It's not itchy, it's not, yeah, kasi it's keratin, so it's very it's not harmful for our skin. However, I'm not sure with the Jobus. Jobus is, I think it's fine kasi it's a natural color. Yeah, so powder lang siya. I don't know what kind of chemicals do they do with that Jobus, but it's just 6 pesos, guys. If this is gonna work, you will have your own business, not tomorrow. Making a hair dye from orange to blue to green, red, pink. Yes, 6 pesos lang plus conditioner. And you will have your own small business of hair dyes. So I've been using a lot of hair colors, guys, and all of the colors are not permanent. They're tagging it as semi-permanent. Semi-permanent, guys, meaning hindi talaga permanent. So, it's really gonna be removed from your hair. So, yun. So, this one, I believe this is gonna work and you can have your own business. I'm so excited. Okay, guys, see you later. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna wash my hair now. So, nagdrip na yung water. So, look at the color. So, yeah, so excited. See ya. Alright, guys, so I'm done washing my hair and this is it. Okay, so are you guys ready? I'm not ready. 2, 3. What? Nothing happened. Oh my god, guys. So, didn't work.
24 hours later.
Hey guys, so it's day 2. So this one, I mixed the conditioner with orange and then yellow. So no water, no hot water, because I realized that hot water will instantly remove the hair dye or the color from your hair, bleached hair. So that's why I am trying to experiment if this one, the purely conditioner, and then so I'm using cream silk. Any conditioners will do. Okay guys, so I'm feeling like this one is gonna work. So what I was saying, this is purely conditioner plus Jobus or the tie-dye color, orange and then yellow. I mix it. So I got this strong feeling that it's gonna work because it looks like it's penetrating the hair color nicely, the bleached hair. So yeah, so hopefully this is gonna turn orange because I don't like my hair color anymore, because since I used yesterday or earlier so yeah, so yesterday I put hot water into to mix it with the blue tie-dye color. So color, my green hair was diminished because of that. Nawala siya. So this time I feel like it's gonna work. If it's, guys, so I'm gonna leave it for like 30 minutes again, and then I'm gonna wash it, but not thoroughly. Okay, but let's find out. I'm very excited, super excited ako, guys, if it's gonna work. Because if it's really gonna work, guys, I am really gonna change my hair color like every week or every day if I want to. Yeah, so yeah, so the texture, it's conditioner, and then but look at my hands. So this is the proof, guys, that I really use the conditioner only. So as you can see, yeah guys, so that's the proof. And yeah, so crossing my fingers, guys, if it's gonna work, because I'm really like bored with my color. But if it's gonna work, I might leave this orange for like, because I like peach color. If it's gonna work, guys, I'm just gonna leave this orange for like 1 week, and then I'm gonna change it to the blue that I like, because I like the blue wish color. The texture, guys, it feels like it's the same texture when you apply it with the other hair dye. And the smell, of course, it smells like cream silk, but yeah, it smells like cream silk, pink cream silk that I used, because it has more keratin. And as you can see, look, it goes to my face. Nagpupunta siya sa face ko. See, tada, pwede na tayo makeup. So I just woke up, guys, so that's why, as you can see, I got eye bags and then no makeup. Yan. I'm hoping that it's gonna stay because it looks like Fifth Element color. If it is, guys, it's like a discovery. And then I can have my own business for hair dye. Yeah. So time is, hold on. Current time now is 8:07. So let's wait. See you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back and I haven't seen my face in the mirror and even my hair. So hindi ko pa nakita yung buhok ko sa mirror pero I want you guys to first see it. So that's why I'm here. I'm currently having a TikTok now. And say I'm gonna put it also on TikTok. Okay. So let's... Okay. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay. Let's count up to 5. 1. I'm gonna close my eyes, guys. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! It's a hair dye! Oh my god, guys! We did it! Guys, you can have your own business. You can have your own business using Jobus and conditioner. And you can have a forever unicorn hair. So, I'm loving it so much. And yeah. Guys, look. Oh my god, it's like peach color. Oh my god. Peach color, guys. Achieved. Oh my god, guys. Look. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting this, guys. Wow. So to see more video of having like peach color, so please watch my video and next video. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. If you do like this video, please hit like, comment down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll get updated with my latest video, guys. So I'm very excited. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, calm, and have a good vibe. Peach hair color. Peach hair color is here. Is here. Oh my god. Loving it. No cheat. Love it. The reason why I use hair conditioner is because it's gonna condition your hair compared to shampoo. Shampoo has sulfate. Sulfate is not very good for the hair. It's just to wash all the dirt. So yeah, I'm not a chemist, guys, so I'm just more on like, I love improvising. I love doing new things. And if I think of something or imagine something, if it's really gonna work or not, I'm doing it. So that's why I made this. I made a channel. So yeah, so happy.